Hello Stampers! I just thought I'd pop in this morning and give you a sneak peek of what new in colors will be out in our new annual catalog. So the Stampin' Up! Annual catalog will be live on May 3rd, and it is chock full of stuff. So if you would like a catalog and you don't have one and you would like to place an order with me, I'll leave a link down below this video. Just click show more and there'll be a link there for the catalog. So give me a minute here and I'll tell you all about our new in colors coming out. This is like my favorite thing for the new annual catalogs when they come out. I get so excited about new color. I'm all about color. So the first color I want to show you from the in colors is Tahiti Tide. It is beautiful. And this reminds me of a color that we've had in the past that I miss dearly. But this is like a true sky color for me on those bright days when there's no clouds in the sky. This is it, boy. And I have the paper, the cardstock here, and of course the ink pad. And make sure you pick up the Stampin' Blends that coordinate with these. So with the Stampin' Blends, you get a light and a dark color. So there is Tahiti Tide. Beautiful, right? So that is that color. Next we have Orchid Oasis. Now this is a stunning purple. It's going to be all about the flowers with this color. And of course there's Stampin' Blends, cardstock to match. It's really pretty. Okay, and the next one is Starry Skye. So this is a more purple color, but it's very deep. I would say this is close to our darkest blue, but this has a lot of purple in it. So it's going to fit really well at the top of your skies, especially when you're doing night scenes. So, and of course there's blends to go with that also. So make sure you pick up all of these. And look at this, Parakeet Party. There's a Parakeet stamp set coming out in the new annual catalog that I'm just dying to get my hands on. So here's a Parakeet color. A lot of times the colors they come out with, they go by fashion, I think, when they pick them. And of course this has been a hot color trend for a couple years now. And so they've brought it out in their ink colors and paper and blends. So Parakeet Party. Last but not least, Sweet Sorbet. This is a beautiful, I want to say like a coral color, only it's a dark coral color. It may not show up as well on video, but it's a pretty pink. Pinkish red. We'll go with that. Pinkish red, which is kind of coral. So Sweet Sorbet. And there's our new in colors for 2022. I hope you're as excited as I am to get your hands on these. Again, the new annual catalog goes live to customers May 3rd. Bye.